Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Atia Inaya from class TBI 3. We'll try to answer TOEFL about error recognition from 1 until 5 questions. Okay, the first question is 3 of every 4 migrating water birds in North America visits the Gulf of Mexico's winter wetlands. Jadi, di kalimat ini ada 4 pilihan. Yang pertama migrating, the second birds, the third visits, the fourth winter. Jadi jawaban yang salah atau yang harus diperbaiki dari kalimat tersebut adalah C, visits. Why? Because in the first sentence we see that 3 of 4, berarti 3 dari 4 telah menyatakan jamak. Migrating water birds itu benar, menyatakan burung yang sedang bermigrasi, yang mana birds telah menggunakan akhiran S karena lebih dari 1. And the fourth winter benar karena itu menyatakan musim salju. Jadi jawabannya C, visits, karena di depannya udah 3 or every 4. Jadi tidak boleh menggunakan visits, yang seharusnya visits itu digunakan untuk orang ketiga, she, he, it, tunggal. Tetapi karena 3 or 4 birds, jadi sudah jamak, menjadi visit saja, tidak menggunakan S. Okay, the second question, Charleston, West Virginia, was named for Charles Clendenin, whose son George acquired land at the junction of Tile Elk and Kanawha rivers in 1787. The first option is for, the second is who, the third is acquire, and the fourth is rivers. So, kita lihat the first, Charleston, West Virginia, was named. Benar, Charleston di Virginia Barat diberi nama. Was named, benar. For Charles Clendenin, untuk Charles Clendenin tidak ada masalah. Yang salah dari kalimat ini yang harus diperbaiki adalah B, who. Kenapa who? Karena dari kalimat ini who diikuti oleh son, yang mana dalam kata son ini berartikan kepunyaan, putra, tidak boleh diikuti oleh who, melainkan oleh whose. Maka jawaban yang benar adalah whose son, not whose son. And next, acquire, tidak ada masalah. The fourth, rivers, kenapa jamak? Karena ada 2, Elk and Kanawha. So the answer is B, who become whose. The third question is, many cassette paintings of mother and children are known for its fine linear rhythm, simple modelings, and harmonies of clear color. The first option is N, the second is its, the third is rhythm, and the fourth is clear color. We can see the subject of the sentence is Mary Cassatt's paintings. Lukisan-lukisan dari Maria Cassatt, berarti telah jamak lebih dari 1. Of mother and children. N benar karena menyatakan 2, mother and children. Are noun diketahui dikarenakan it's fine linear. So the error recognition in the sentence is B, it's. Why it's? Kenapa it's? Karena at the first, many Cassatt's painting are plural nouns, but they use it's to representative many Cassatt's painting. So it must be changed by their. Why their? Because paintings in the first sentence are plural noun. Jadi it's-nya harus diganti menjadi their karena lukisannya sudah lebih dari 1. Rhythm sudah benar, ritme, dan terakhir clear color, warna yang cerah. Jadi yang harus diganti adalah B, it's menjadi their karena telah jamak. And the last question, the fourth question is, in the 19th century, Women use quilts to inscribe their response to social, economic, and politics issues. The first option is in the. The second option is women. The third option is responses to. The fourth option is politics. At the first, in the 19th century, it's correct. Karena in memang digunakan untuk menyatakan tahun. Woman menyatakan jamak dan diikuti oleh verb to, jadi tidak ada masalah. And the third, responses to. Responses di sini menyatakan responnya, respon yang banyak karena woman-nya sudah jamak dan menggunakan their berarti tepat. To social, kehidupan sosial, ekonomi, dan politics issue. Di sini the error in the option D, politics. Why politics? Because di sini membahas tentang politik secara kata sifat, maka yang tepat adalah politik without S. So, yang harus dihilangkan adalah huruf S di bagian politics. Karena di sini membahas kata sifat, bukan kata bendanya. Dan isusnya telah benar karena ada 3, sosial, ekonomi, and politik.
My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah, NIM 0304202097. I will discuss questions about error recognitions from numbers 5 until 7. Okay, number 5. The Armory Show held in New York in 1913 was an important exhibition of modern European art. In this sentence, the wrong is because it used to show one for singular when a thing is followed by consonant sounds. But when the things followed by vowel sounds, it must be n to say one. So in the sentences, it must an important, not a important. Next, number 6. Ripe fruit is often stored in a place who contains much carbon dioxide, so that the fruit will not decay too rapidly. The wrong one is who, because it is must be which. Because in the sentences is used to explain a place, so it must be which. But when it is explained about people, we can use who. Okay, the last is number 7. In 1852, Massachusetts passed a law requiring all children from 4 to 18 years of old to attend school. So in the sentences, the wrong one is of all. Because when it is to explain or describe how old someone is, the sentences must 18 years old, not 80 years of old. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Siti Hadijah Barus and I'm from TBI 3 class 7th semester. Now, I would like to discuss about TOEFL, especially error analysis. Okay, number 8. Financier Andrew Mellon donated most of his magnificent art collection to the National Gallery of Art, where it is now locating. Oke, ada beberapa bagian. The first one is donated, the second one is magnificent, and the third one is collection, and the last one is locating. So, the answer is locating. Sebelum kata locating, ada adjective clause connectors type 1, yaitu where. Where ini menerangkan tempat. So, locating, it should be located. Jadi kita perlu untuk mengganti atau mengubah yang awalnya locating adalah verb atau kata kerja menjadi located as a adjective. Okay, next, number 9. Soil temperatures in Death Valley, California, near the Nevada border, have been known to reach 90 degrees Celsius. ada beberapa bagian. The first one is soil, the second one is near, and the third one is have been known, and the last one is of degrees. So, the incorrect one is of degrees. Pada kata tersebut, of harus dihilangkan karena of is a preposition. The preposition of may be used in sentences that express quantity. Tapi, letaknya harus berada di depan quantity tersebut. For example, preheat the oven to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, number 10. When the sun, moon, and earth are alignment and the moon crosses the earth's orbital plane, a solar eclipse occurs. Ada beberapa kata yang digarisbawahi. The first one is when, the second one is are alignment, the third one is crosses, and the last one is occurs. The answer is are alignment. Kata alignment adalah noun, sementara untuk menjadikan kalimat ini benar, kita harus merubah noun tersebut menjadi adjective, yaitu aligned, yang berarti sejajar. So, the answer should be are aligned.
I'm Gita Dwi Arimbi. I will explain about TOEFL practice number 11 until 13. Number 11. The main purpose of classifying animals is to show the most probable evolutionary relationship of the different species to each another. Kesalahan dalam kalimat ini terletak pada kata another. Why? Karena setiap kata another itu tidak diikuti oleh kata each. Sedangkan pada kata each biasanya selalu diikuti oleh kata other. Menjadi, the main purpose of classifying animals is to show the most probable evolutionary relationship of the different species to each other. So, the incorrect is another. Okay, next, number 12. Matthew C. Perry, a United States naval commander, gained fame not in war and through diplomacy. Pada kalimat ini terdapat bentuk parallelism, di mana ada kata not in a war and through diplomacy. Tetapi pada bentuk parallelism, biasanya kata not itu selalu disandingkan dengan kata but. Sedangkan pada kata ini, not disandingkan dengan kata and. Seharusnya, Matthew C. Perry, a United States naval commander, gained fame not in war but through diplomacy. So, the incorrect is N. Next, number 13. One of the most impressive collection of 19th century European paintings in the US can be found to the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Pada kata collection itu menunjukkan banyak karena terdapat kata one of the most impressive, salah satu yang paling menakjubkan. Sama seperti kata paintings menunjukkan banyak mengikuti kata collection yang diakhiri dengan kata huruf S. Kata yang kurang tepat di sini adalah pada kata to the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Why? Karena pada kalimat ini menunjukkan tempat yang spesifik. Maka preposition yang digunakan lebih tepat yaitu at. Menjadi one of the most impressive collection of 19th century European paintings in the US can be found at the Philadelphia Museum of Art. So, the incorrect is 2.
Hi, my name is Sinta Taufika Anandra. I will discuss 3 questions error sentence in part E. The first sentence is plants synthesize carbohydrates from water and carbon dioxide, with the aid of energy is derived from sunlight. Okay, the wrong word is derived because is used for singular noun while the word plants is a plural verb. Okay, the second sentence is the best American popular music balance a powerful emotions of youth with tenderness, grace, and wit. The wrong word is a because the correct answer is D. Article D used is in a sentence or clause when you define or identify a particular person or object. The last sentence is as many as 50% of the income from motion picture product in the United States comes from marketing the films abroad. The wrong word is many because many means a large amount of an object and is always used with countable nouns. Meanwhile, for uncountable nouns, we use much as percent in an uncountable noun because it cannot be counted.
My name is Mukni Rahmawati Rahab. I will discuss the question number 17 until 20. The question number 17, fossil in 500 million year old works demonstrate that life forms in the Cambrian period were mostly marine animals capability of secreting calcium to form cells. The wrong in the sentence is capability. Capability should be changed to the word capable because where is matched to plural fossils. The question number 18, rainbows in the shape of clumped circle are sometimes seen from airplanes because they are not cutting off by the horizon. Are not cutting is changed to the are not cut because it's a passive sentence where to be plus verb 3 not verb ing. The question number 19, hot at the equator causes the air to expand, rise and flow toward the poles. Hot is an adjective, so it cannot be at the beginning of a sentence as a subject, so hot changed to the word heat because heat is a noun. The question number 20, auto research has been ongoing since 1930. The existence of ESP, perception and communication without the use of sight, hear, taste, touch, or smell is still disputed. The error in the sentence is hear. Instead of hear, the word sound will be placed more accurately in the sentence because hear is parallel structure. All words after use of are noun except hear, so that we have to change it into sound to correct. Okay, I will close the discussion of the question that we have explained from group 5. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.